babies, jumping right into the video. Y'all already know I got this ball cap and yo, I'm looking like Bozo the Clown. If you guys already have not seen it already, make sure to check out my glueless method so you can learn how to actually apply the, I guess, elastic band to the lace unit. Actually, I'm thinking maybe I should just insert that clip somewhere in here. I don't really know. But nevertheless, all the hair details will be listed down below. You guys can see this unit is actually like probably like 2 weeks old. I've just been like putting it on, taking it off, and I'm just going to show you how to quickly style up the glueless part of this. This is definitely going to be a more so baby hair inspired. If you're not interested in that, definitely understand. But if you don't mind getting a little glueless lace, you know, lay, slay situation, then go ahead and keep on watching. I'm just going to go ahead and just pin down the hair, of course. I'm taking some of my foamer or mousse. You guys can pretty much use anything you feel comfortable with. You guys know I've been trying to get rid of this olive oil. I don't know why I'm being so cheap with just buying like new mousse, but it's like I don't want to be wasteful, so that's probably just the hoarder in me or something like that. But nevertheless, you guys can see that the lace on this unit is extremely transparent. I did notice the flaps were a little bit too long, so I did go ahead and trim those off of the sides just to make sure that everything seamlessly laid across my hairline, and then of course flip back past my ear. So I'm just going to go ahead and shorten up the baby hair just a teensy tiny bit. If you guys want to tweeze out more hair, you definitely can. Make sure to check out my other videos. I do have a ton that show you how to customize the unit just naturally, you know, and nothing too crazy. But I'm using the mousse just to go ahead and style up the baby hair, which eventually I will do something different with, I guess more so after it dries completely. So I'm just going to do the same thing on both sides. You guys, this unit was so tight on my head. I think by the end of the day I had like a headache. So definitely be careful with the elastic bands. They can be extremely tight, which is all cool and stuff like that for show. But realistically, you definitely don't want your wig to like literally squeeze your brain. So definitely try to adjust it if you can. I always try to measure it out before actually putting it on. But it's very easy to do, really simple. You guys know that. You guys have seen me install my units 1,000,001 times. I just felt like maybe I need to do the more glueless install so that you guys really understand that you can do this at home. Like, I promise you, you can save a $300 install that is only going to take that person maybe 20 minutes. Like, come on. But anyway, I went ahead and used my foam wraps, which of course you can get at any beauty supply store. I even think they have them at Walmart, Target, things like that. And I'm just going to start to blow dry around the edges just because I wanted to speed up the process. The only thing I hate about this mousse is that it does leave a little residue. Not to mention the hair was already dirty. So I'm actually bringing you, like I said, the unit. I've worn it for about a week or two. So that's that. But I'm just showing you how you can kind of revamp your wigs and kind of just keep everything going. And the mousse is really good because, of course, no matter how many times you lay it down, you can always get it to do what you want it to do. You can even reinforce that with water if you want to go back and style up your baby hair using the water. Then use that foam wrap just to kind of make sure everything is locked in, and you'll get the same results. The key is just to make sure that the elastic band is tight. I know I didn't really talk too much in my original video with the elastic band method or anything like that, but yeah, I feel like it was pretty much self-explanatory, and I wanted you guys to kind of fill in the gaps as well. So sorry about that in advance, but nevertheless, the hair is really pretty, really soft. I know that it's like super dark. I don't know why it looks so dark on camera, but I was loving it. I did not put like any rinse or anything like that on the hair. This is the natural state that it came in, and I'm definitely liking what this looks like. For whatever reason, I've just been falling in love with me with like this kind of peachy red tone and then like really dark hair. So boom, there's that. So I'm just gonna go back a little bit more with the blow dryer just to make sure everything is locked in. You guys can see I did some really loose, messy curls. Definitely time to wash that wig. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the paper. So as you guys can see, everything is pretty much locked in. And mind you, this is glueless. I did not add any spray and nothing to it. So this unit can completely be removed. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and take, you know, that little toothbrush spoolie thing to go ahead and kind of brush through the baby hair just to show you that you can move it around, and it is completely glueless. So I hope these tutorials help you. I want to do another one. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see a baby hair free glueless tutorial install, because I'm doing these and I realize a lot of people enjoy the baby hair method. I don't really care for it. You know, I don't mind it, but I can do without it. But just giving you a quick look to show you it's completely glueless. I know you guys asked me about the flaps. that's going to be the point in laying this down with the mousse. You really want to make sure that it's laid completely, because the flaps will actually just lay back on their own. You just push them down and you're good. You don't have to worry too much about it. I did actually go ahead and apply some of the Gotta Be Glue spray over the tops of the baby hair, just because I wanted to make sure everything was just going to lock in place. I knew I was going to take the wig off for another couple of days, so no big deal. You can definitely do it that way if you want, or leave out that spray. Completely up to you if you want to take it on and off at night. But other than that, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. Definitely leave any comments or questions down below. Y'all, this outfit was everything. If you want details, let me know. I will see you guys in my next video. Definitely make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, share these videos with other people, let them know, join Sunflower Gang, and I will see you guys later. Bye, babies.